Most people think of China as the be-all and end-all as far as sourcing goes, but it ain't. There's a lot possibly better countries to source from. So in this video, I've got Aussie online entrepreneur member Kathy Lloyd to go through her experience of sourcing in India at a sourcing expo. I think you're really going to get a lot from this. There's some great tips in it. Make sure you take notes. Got any questions? Comment below and we'll answer them personally for you. That being said, let's do it with Kathy.
Now, for those in Melbourne, if you know what Jeff Shed's like, the Melbourne Convention Centre, the Delhi Fair is about 16 times that. It is massive. So Sydney Convention Centre, same thing, about 10 times bigger. So they have 16 plus halls, upstairs and downstairs. So we were there for 5 days and didn't get through all of the products that they offer. It's incredible. I think something like 3,000 suppliers. They're very hospitable. They offer, for all buyers, there's lounges there for free lunch and everything like that, which is lovely. You get discounts on many hotels that are registered with the fair, and you get a free cab from your hotel to your hotel from the airport. Now, that might sound not like much, but our cab ride was 1.5 hours, so pretty happy about that. They have free shuttle buses and other services like that. Pretty brilliant. Okay, types of products. They're mainly what I love, which is homewares, but there's kitchenware, barware, lots of decorations, Easter, Christmas, giftware, a lot of eco products, much more eco-friendly than China. Carpets, rugs, textiles are brilliant. Garden, outdoor, a lot of rusty sort of stuff. Lights, lamps, furniture, mango wood, stationery, leather, jewellery. Yeah, it just goes on and on. Brilliant. Here's a few different stalls I've taken photos of. Some you're not allowed to take photos because I don't want people knocking off their ideas. Beautiful cushions, things like that. Now, often when I'm coaching clients, I would say, you know, cushions can be very difficult because they're subject to people's taste. But I saw this cushion. I thought that is really cool. The love heart with the dog. So if you're selling to an avatar as opposed to a product, you know, you're selling dog things, dog bowls, you can have a dog cushion like that as part of your range. You can add that in. So there's metal. We met an incredible French lady and she designs most of this metal stuff, really quirky things, brilliant, totally original. Kids little thing, like if you're just starting out, you haven't sold on Amazon yet and you're a little bit nervous about spending too much money, there's these small items that you could potentially fly in now. I don't know if we're in the way on my screen, but there's incredible mirrors. These photo frames, some were made out of bone, some were made out of timber, some were made out of rattan. Like, just they're really clever, really clever. It was brilliant. Getting around. Yeah, no, we didn't go on a bike, but this was our little toot guy. He was brilliant. We just WhatsApped him and he'd come and pick us up from the hotel. Really a lot of fun, pretty exciting. So don't just go to India for the trade show. We decided we did 2 days of the fair, and then I took Mia up on the fast train up to Agra, and we saw the amazing Taj Mahal. We look at Europe for history, but look at this. It was built in 1631. So, and then the fort just down the road was built in 1565. Yeah, a lot of history, really incredible. Yeah, these are like Instagram famous sites. Oh, there was a snake charmer. It was fun. Just beautiful forts. The Taj again. this was opposite the Wingview Cafe in the Pink City. Yes, so like it's just photographer's heaven. All the color and the vibrancy and everything like that. It's a really unique experience. So India is brilliant for culture, food, historical sites, incredible products. The other great thing about Indian products over Chinese is many are handmade still. So then you can sell on Etsy as well and fulfill through Amazon, which is really good. And they have low MOQs mostly, really good for beginners, put their thing. New adventures and great experiences. And most people at the stalls had brilliant English, so it was really easy to communicate and nothing worse than miscommunication. When's it happening again? I don't know if you guys are over there. I'll put this. So the next fair's in March, on the 15th to the 19th of March. Definitely going.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce sellers, over 2,500 of us and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right around the world, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the chat, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you next time.